going on, guys? Let me adjust the cam real quick. Let's get right into it. Alright, so next upgrade, it's gonna be from Ballistic Fabrication. We got some cool stickers right here. What is it? Oh goodness. Check that out. New front diff cover. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. This is more protection than cooling or anything like that. This is solid steel. So I use the same amount of fluid. Okay. Use the same amount of fluid, whatever that is. Oh my gosh. This stuff. It's got bolts and stuff. I don't know what that little guy is right there. Is that a keychain? Not sure what that is right there. Looks like a keychain maybe. Plug, it's a magnetic. No. Not magnetic. No gasket, so I guess we'll be using RTV. Alright, so special thing about this is I'm gonna be trying to powder coat it myself with got some powder right here. Alright, we'll see how that comes out. I don't know, it looks kind of pinkish, but we'll check it out. I'm gonna be trying to powder coat it myself. I should probably try it on a little piece first and see how it turns out before I commit to that. You're wondering how I'm gonna do that in my house. Well, I had this for, I'm gonna say, a good 12 years, maybe more. So I don't even know if it still works, but just a powder coater. Alright. Plug it in. You ground your whatever you're powder coating. Put your powder in there. Put it in there. And then you spray. The thing about this, it does get everywhere. It goes everywhere. So you want to do it in somewhat of a controlled environment. But I'm gonna try it out. I haven't done this in years. So I want to leave this part right here black, the skull. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I think I got an idea what I want to do. First thing is clean it, right? Otherwise the powder's not gonna stick. Alright, so it does have a little bit of rust in certain areas in between the welds and stuff, so I'm just gonna hit it with a quick wire brush. Rust is not good for powder, so just gonna hit it with a quick wire brush and then clean it again. And then I'm gonna start taping stuff off. What I decided to do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint this black. We'll do the eyes and nose red, and then the rest of it is gonna be red. Look at these welds. Very nice. Freaking 4:30 in the afternoon. Already dark. This is ridiculous. Let's go check this out. Alright, so let's see if this works. I'm not no professional by all means. I haven't done this in a very long time, so I'm just experimenting right now. I'm gonna hit that with black right now, see if it sticks, and stick it in the oven. Alright, so she's grounded right here. So let's spray it. See what happens. Don't make fun of me. Alright, so we'll do that for about 30 minutes. I'm back outside now. I'm gonna clean the gun and test out some red powder on this. See what that looks like. Stand by. So I'm gonna test the red on this piece that came with the ballistic cover. Same thing, I'm using a spring from a drum brake that I have laying around. The same thing, it's gotta be grounded. Otherwise powder's not gonna stick. I'm just gonna do that right there. Now I'm gonna stick it in the oven, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Oh. All right, 30 minutes later. That's not bad. While I wait for the stuff to cool down, I guess I can go ahead and drain this thing. Now I'm just doing a quick comparison of the powder coat versus my rattle can job here. I mean, you can barely tell. It's about the same. Alright, I'm not sure if this is how you do this, but I'm just gonna do the exact opposite now. I'm gonna tape the black, powder coat the rest red. See how that goes. Yeesh! Well, here's the finished product. Extremely happy with it. Right there. It did mess up. Dropping it in the oven. I touched right there. And a little bit on this side as well, but it is what it is. It's good. It's supposed to have hooks or whatever, so you can pick stuff up, hang it, but I couldn't find any of my hooks. But I used the new bolts here because this flange is probably thicker, so these are probably longer. Yep, just the hair. Using the new bolts here. I'm gonna be reusing this gasket. Very confident it is still good to go. So I'll do that. I'll slap it on real quick. There it is. Finished product. It's really good. I just gotta top it off with oil. Kinda sucks. This is in the way, but it is what it is. She still looks good. Got some extra protection when I'm running into stuff, which I do all the time. And it looks good. Sheesh. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. Stay safe out there. Cheers. God, I completely forgot about this. Little hedge cover I got from them as well. Damn, I already put the powder coater away and everything. Well, it's gonna be a project for a different day. Dang.